Dalen.
Somewhere in here.
Dalen.
Feel it. Oh, there it is.
Here.
Oh, that's a lot of
Dora's on both
stickers.
of them.
No, my.
Holy Hannah. 100 stickers.
There are lots of stickers
No.
now, Danny.
Here, too.
Don't let her open it yet. Wait till she gets that book going.
Oh, I saw those at
Here.
Your walls may be all decorated.
Toys R Us yesterday.
She puts them all over herself.
Like, oh my.
Look at
You can get another cracker if you want.
They're at Toys R Us, yeah.
Ooh, what are those? Some more barrettes.
Oh, yes.
Your hair's a little short still, bud.
Holy man, there's more.
You know, we'll put a movie on for you guys upstairs after.
Look at what's in here.
Yeah.
What's that? Dora panties. For when you go potty.
We put her in panties yesterday. She's laying in bed. She goes, I just peed. Thanks. It's all wet, eh? Where was this? Laying in bed with me, right? Just in the morning, she's put some panties on her for a couple hours to see how she does. I peed. Big wet spot. Just happy as can be, eh? After the shower, I had a shower with her. 2 days ago, she wanted to come to shower with me, so I had a shower. And then I dried her off and let her run around for a little bit. Daddy, I peed on my floor. It's like literally 4 feet from her potty. And she knows to sit on the potty.
She likes to do non-stop.
No, it's carpet.
There, that's everything.
That's okay. We're at the pool today with Cody, you know, we're in the shower, whatever. I'm like, oh, there's like 6 people in the shower. Brady, sit down. In our shower upstairs, he loves it. He walks in. He will actually go in the shower, whip out his pants, and just pee in the shower without not even going, and then leave. Where do you learn that from? His mom. She bends in the shower and lets her buck.
You can use them as party things and like sprinkle them on the table. Yeah, not for you.
3 plus.
Those are some pretty
Yeah.
with the flowers on them. Do you want one in your hair now?
103 in
Okay, where do you want it?
100.
Right here? We'll hold these bangs
No,
in there.
they're fun for ages.
There.
I want some more.
Okay, here. Where does that bag
Hey, Riley, go pick a movie for the kids would like, and they can watch upstairs. Or ask Cody what he wants to watch. Go ask Cody what he wants to watch. And Brady.
Look at Jordan.
Cody, that's enough.
What do you want to watch? I can't see Brady.
No wonder.
Shrek? Find out what movies he has first and then pick from those movies, okay?
See if they have
Brady, what do you want to watch?
I know.
Shrek?
Happy birthday. She's like happy.
Okay, go upstairs and watch Shrek. You and Cody.
Maybe they have a different movie that you haven't seen.
Sit back and we need to read the rest of it.
Wait.
Danny, look here.
And sit back and let everyone smile over you. Happy birthday.
Yeah, he's seen them both.
Elsa and Colleen.
Tell them a whole bunch of movies that you have and
Incredibles?